This module would cover the basic properties, cultivation and processing, best practices, and the market trends of the mustard seeds. Basic properties. Mustard seeds come in different varieties, including yellow, brown, and black. Mustard seeds are a good source of protein, around 20%, dietary fiber, 12 to 15%, vitamins, A, C, K, minerals, iron, magnesium, calcium, and folate, and contain several compounds with antioxidant properties. Mustard seeds have many culinary and industrial uses. Culinary use. Mustard seeds are commonly used as a spice, condiment, pickling ingredient, and marinade in many cuisines around the world, adding flavor and heat to a wide range of dishes. Industrial use. Mustard seeds are used to produce mustard oil, animal feed, biofuel, and have also been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a range of ailments. It is also used for lighting lamps in Indian households. Cultivation and processing. Mustard seeds are a hardy crop that can grow in different soil and climate conditions. They require proper planting, irrigation, and pest control. After harvesting, mustard seeds need to be dried and stored correctly. Best practices. Pre-sowing irrigation followed by protective irrigation at flowering and pod formation, and integrated nutrient management are some of the best practices to follow. Seed treatment and integrated pest management are also important to ensure good crop yield. To grow mustard seeds successfully, it's recommended to opt for line sowing with a row-to-row distance of 40 to 45 centimeters and a plant-to-plant distance of 10 to 15 centimeters. Market trends. The global mustard market is growing at a CAGR of 5.7% over the next 5 years. India is the third largest producer of mustard after Canada and China and contributes to around 11% of the world's total production. Although rapeseed mustard is cultivated in the majority of states of the country, the bulk of the production comes from Rajasthan, 44.97%, Haryana, 12.44%, Madhya Pradesh, 11.32%, Uttar Pradesh, 10.60%, and West Bengal, 7.53%, during 2014 to 2015 to 2018 to 2019. In the next module, quality parameters of the mustard seeds will be discussed.